Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So you're having the issue of no account matches that information problem on Facebook, but wonder not because we've got you. Before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So you do not remember your password for your Facebook account, so when you tap on forgot password and you try to enter your phone number, so when you enter your phone number and tap on find account, as you can see, when you enter your phone number, this window will pop up that reads that your account was not found. And even if you enter your email and try to find account, you'll see this window pop up that says that no account found. So the solution for this problem is you simply go back and then open your Chrome browser. On your Chrome browser, you're going to search facebook.com. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the three dotted icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you tap on desktop site. Now, when you tap on the search bar, if it does not show web.facebook.com, then you edit it. After that, your layout will look something like this. After that, you tap on the forgotten password link you can see over here and repeat the same process. So you find your account. Now you enter your mobile number. After you've entered your mobile number, you tap on search and then your account will be found. After that, you tap on this is my account and then you can see this window pop up where you can either be sent code via your email or via a Facebook notification or a password to log in. After that, you simply tap on continue and then a code will be sent to you on your Gmail account that you've entered for your Facebook account. Enter the code and tap on continue. From your Gmail, you simply copy the code. After that, tap on continue. After that, you enter your new password that you'd like to set for this Facebook account and then you tap on continue and confirm your new password. After that, you'll be given access to your Facebook account and then you can simply use it as such. If this problem is still not resolved, the next thing you might want to do is make sure that you're using the device of which you have the number set for your Facebook account that you're trying to find. That is, the Facebook account that you're trying to find must use the number that is currently set on your mobile that you're actively using. If that is still the case and you're still not able to find your account, then the next thing you might want to do is that if you have a new account or a different account that uses the same number, you remove the number from this new account or this other account, then you'll be able to access your old account or find your old account and change the password or just access the old account that you're trying to find, and then your issue will be resolved. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.